Welcome to Jeepney School. I'm Ate Cherry, your ride to Tagalog proficiency. In our last lesson, we learned how to express our wants and desires using the pseudo verb gusto. Today, we will shift our focus to expressing dislikes using the pseudo verb ayaw, which means to dislike or to disapprove of. To form sentences using ayaw, we use the pattern ayaw ko ng, then the object that you dislike. Example, ayaw ko ng spicy food, which means I don't like spicy food. Or ayaw ko ng broccoli, which means I don't like broccoli. When expressing dislike for a person, replace ng with si. Example, ayaw ko si Thanos, which means I don't like Thanos. Or ayaw ko si Darth Vader, which means I don't like Darth Vader. When responding to a question using ayaw, the question usually looks like this. Ano ang ayaw mo? What do you dislike? To answer that, use the pattern ayaw ko ng, then whatever it is that you dislike. Example, ayaw ko ng winter. I don't like winter. For questions about people, use sino ang ayaw mo? Who do you dislike? To answer, use the pattern ayaw ko si, then the name of the person that you dislike. Example, ayaw ko si Ursula. Now let's practice. I will ask you what you dislike 3 times. I will be blue, you will be red. Ano ang ayaw mo? Magaling. Ano ang ayaw mo? Magaling. Ano ang ayaw mo? Magaling! Great job! Now let's switch roles. I will be red, you will be blue. Ayaw ko ng winter. Ayaw ko ng spicy food. Ayaw ko ng broccoli. Fantastic work! Great job! Now let's practice answering the question, sino ang ayaw mo? Who do you dislike? I will ask you 2 times and I want you to use fictional characters for this exercise. I will be blue, you will be red. Sino ang ayaw mo? Great job! Sino ang ayaw mo? Magaling! Great job! Now let's switch roles. You will be blue, I will be red. Ayaw ko si Thanos. Ayaw ko si Ursula. Magaling! For your homework, please create 5 sentences using the pseudo verb ayaw and share them in the comment section. Also, find a speaking partner to practice with. Maraming salamat! See you next time!